Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this video is for administrators of organization accounts. I'll be showing you how to find and view your organization reports. So let's get started. Once you've logged in, go to Organization in the top banner and click Reports from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to your reports page. Here you will get an overview of all of the teachers that are connected to the subscription, the total number of students connected to the subscription, as well as the total number of active classes. The default date range for the activities shown goes back 30 days. However, you can choose what dates you'd like to view the activity by clicking this date, choosing a different one from the calendar, and then clicking the blue Apply button. This will then display all of the users connected and their usage in that specific date range. If you would like to save a copy of the usage to your device or you would like to print it, click the Export button in the top right to save a PDF version. That's it for this video on how to find and view your organization reports. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy teaching!
Ellii.